Hello students. In the previous topic, I discussed about multiple integrals and used the word order of integration. I told you what is the order of integration and how we have to follow it. Now, sometimes the integrals are very complicated and it is easy to solve it by changing its order. So, let us learn the concept of changing the order of integration. We'll do this by using a simple question. Now suppose you have this integral question, right? And I am asking you evaluate this integral using changing change of order. Means first you change the order and then you evaluate the integral. At present in the given question, I should first integrate with respect to y and then with respect to x. Changing the order means I want you to integrate first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So now how this is done, for that we need to understand the region. Let us try to understand the region. See here, x is sitting in the limit. If x is sitting in the limit means it is a limit of y. So definitely this is a limit of x. So I can write down the limit for this integral like this. See, y is from x by y is from root x by a. Now what is this? This is simply x is equal to ay, which is a straight line passing through origin with certain slope. Right? Same way y is equal to under root x by a means y square is equal to x by a, which is a parabola. So I got the limit of y and I understood what type of curve they are tracing. Now x is varying from 0 to a. So the limit of x is from 0 to a. Since the limit of x is constant, means we have a vertical strip. We are walking on x-axis like this. Like this we are walking. Okay, so now let us first draw this curve. As I told you, y is equal to x by a is a straight line. So draw a straight line. Then y square is equal to x by a is a parabola. Draw a parabola. Now this straight line and parabola are intersecting at this point. If you find out line of intersection, right, since the line is equal to y is equal to x by a, so I can find out the point of intersection by using these two relation, right? So at x is equal to a, y is equal to 1. So point of intersection is a comma 1 and this is the region of interest. Now they have given us a vertical strip. Changing the order means I will make it horizontal like this curve. Now when you make it horizontal, it is walking on y-axis. So now y is moving from 0 to this point. This point is what? 1. So the limit of y will be from 0 to 1. Same way, I will see the end point of this strip. End point of this strip is touching these two curves. Now, what is the value of x at this point? X is equal to ay. And on this, x is equal to y square a. So, the limit of x will be ay to y square a and limit of y will be 0 to 1. So, this is how the limits will be changed. Now, once the limit is changed, I can see like this the limits are changed and now my question is converted to another format like this. See, now our integral is 0 to 1 ay to ay square. Since y is in a limit, so first I should integrate with respect to x. So this is how I have changed the order and now I will integrate it in my normal way. When I'm integrating with respect to x, y will be constant. So integration of x will be x square will be x cube by 3 and y square will be y square x. Right? Apply the limits. When you apply the limits, you will get this. Now you integrate with respect to y and put the limit 0 to 1. This is how you will get the integral with respect to y. Now apply the limits and you will get the value as a cube by 21 minus a cube by 12 plus a by 5 minus a by 4 and this is your answer. Even if you get the answer a cube by 28 plus a by 20, it is correct. It depends upon how you have taken it. If you have made this upper limit, your answer will be negative. But since it is an area, it doesn't matter whether it is positive or negative. So this is how we will be doing the questions of changing the order. Thank you very much, students.